All right, so we got a milkshake machine, and the problem is there's a mix out port right there. So when it's below that pin, it's no bueno. And then this add mix light should come on, and once that stays lit for so long, it should shut down the unit. Well, the mix light is never coming on, and so this location isn't finding out they're out of mix until they're out of mix, and that's no good for anything. So how this works is that's just a metal rod. There's nothing special about it. This yellow wire that comes in on the board, you can see there's a low probe, probe low, probe high. So we got our low probe. I left my other meter somewhere yesterday. I know where it is, but I left it. It's terrible. And so what we were supposed to be able to do was test that we would get tone, right, when we touch tone. We should be able to get tone from the probe when I touch the probe to when I touch the pan. And I don't have it. And we are underwater. But we should get tone from that to any ground. And even when I put it on like the frame ground and anything, I get absolutely nothing anywhere. But when we go from the probe to this yellow wire, which I can't do with one hand, I do get tone. So my wire's good. So I talked with Mr. Stoelting over there at tech support, who's actually teaching the class this morning, but he's that awesome to make time for me. I don't even get tone from my green ground wire to that. How this actually works is it just, right, when it hits that, it basically grounds out, and that grounding out tells the board, hey, I've got mix. If there was a problem with that system, it should be shut down and never work, but it's working fine. So he's wondering if we have a good ground on the plug. So I put this outlet in, and I can tell you we do have a good ground on this plug. So I'm going to open up this back real quick so we can get a good look at this. So what I did here is while it was running, just to test my ground, because this is on rubber feet, you wouldn't think that it's not complete, that is completely insulated, but it could be. I tried that and nothing changed. So I took this probe and I just moved it over a little bit like this. And the moment I did that, I got my add mix light. So we just have some sort of wiring situation on the back of this.